Creating animated videos and talking characters like the ones you see on the screen now usually takes hours. But what if you could generate 10 of them with just one prompt? Well, in this video I'll show you how to do exactly that. Let's get started right away. So the tool I used is Abacus AI, so abs.abacus AI. I'll leave the link down below. So I asked the simple prompt: create 10 animated videos of Albert Einstein explaining 10 interesting scientific facts. Fine. He said I'd be happy to create. He just asked me aspect ratio, video length, Einstein style, and it asked me if I would like to provide the facts or it will find interesting facts and create all of the facts by itself. I just said, yeah, TikTok, Instagram, video length maximum 15 seconds, older Einstein animated version, select all the facts by yourself. And then it started rolling. Okay, so let's see what was happening there. It started searching for the interesting facts, fun science facts, mind-blowing physics discovery. Great. Started creating audio. He just self-corrected itself. This audio is a bit long, 18 seconds. Let me shorten the script to fit better within 15 seconds because I instructed it to do so previously. And then video plan, lip sync, yes, aspect ratio, and then started creating the scene. It asked me, please review the plan and let me know if I should proceed to create a video. Yes, proceed. And that's it. All 10 videos were created after that in, I would say, 5 minutes, something like that. Let's see the first video.
Time is not constant. Near a black hole, 1 hour equals 7 years on Earth. It's nature's
pretty good, and actually lip syncing is working pretty great.
Ultimate time machine. Isn't physics amazing?
So we have the first video. Let's check out the second video, which is called Quantum Entanglement.
I called it spooky action at a distance. When two particles become entangled, measuring one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart, even a...
Nice. Then we have E equals mc squared, the standard thing. We can download the audio, we can download the video.
My famous equation, E equals mc squared. It means a tiny bit of matter contains enormous energy. Just 1 gram could power...
And then you can just download the video clicking here. Let's just try out one more video.
Black holes are where gravity becomes so strong that even light cannot escape. They're like cosmic vacuum cleaners, but they don't actually suck. They just bend space-time extremely. Black hole...
That's really great. And you notice that the lip syncing is working pretty good. What you also can notice is that character is constantly kind of the same. I could ask it now to create the character in different scenes, I don't know, in lab, whatever, and it would do that in a matter of minutes. And let me just show you one other thing. Here you see the summary of all of the videos and downloaded. And here you see how much credits was used. 582. I think I have 25k credits per month based on the plan. Some of the people that watched my previous videos also noticed that I previously created one Einstein-inspired TikTok video. For example, let's check out this one. This time I asked, create a TikTok animated video of character that looks like Albert Einstein. In video, he's explaining top 5 most interesting scientific facts. Great, the same procedure. Let's see the video.
Hello, curious minds. Einstein here with some mind-blowing facts. Want to know something incredible? You're traveling through space at 2.7 million miles.
And you noticed in this previous version, it didn't create a great lip syncing, but the animation is pretty good.
Earth is spinning and orbiting while our galaxy moves through space.
Nice. So you can do whatever you want with this tool. You can upload those to Instagram, TikTok, start your channel. There are many popular animated channels that receive millions and millions of views. Perhaps with this tool, you or I or someone else could get viral too. And to be able to do that, I will actually share a link to all of the 10 videos. If this video receives at least, I don't know, 50 comments, if it gets any traction. So yeah, this would be my thank you to everyone who watched until the end. Just put a comment down below, and if we receive more than 50, I will share the link to all of the 10 files you can download and use them for free. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.